Learn English through stories. English listening practice, 32 stories.
A backpack and a bus. It is time to go to school. He puts his books into his backpack. He puts his arms through the straps. He puts his backpack on his back. He walks outside. He goes to the bus stop. He stands at the bus stop. He waits for the bus. He sees the bus. His first roller coaster ride. He gets on the roller coaster. His mom sits next to him. This is his first roller coaster ride. The roller coaster starts up. It is fast. It goes up and down. It goes around and around. He looks at his mom. His mom looks at him. They both laugh. The roller coaster is fun. An airplane in the sky. The boy hears a sound. He looks up. He sees an airplane. The airplane is in the sky. It is a silver airplane. It has 2 wings. It has a tail. It has 2 jet engines. There is a pilot on the airplane. He flies the airplane. He lands the airplane. Let's go to Disneyland. She loves Disneyland. She wants to live at Disneyland. She wants to visit Disneyland every day. Her parents take her to Disneyland every year. She has fun at Disneyland. She sees Mickey Mouse. She goes on many rides. She has fun on the rides. She wants to ride them again and again. Birthday cake and candles. It is her birthday. She is 6 years old. She looks at the birthday cake. It has white icing. There are 6 candles on top. Her mom and dad sing happy birthday. Her dad lights the candles. She makes a wish. She blows out the candles. She claps her hands. Her mom and dad clap their hands. A baby goes to sleep. The baby crawls on the floor. It stops. Then it crawls some more. Then it stops again. Mama looks at the baby. She picks up the baby. She carries the baby to the crib. She puts the baby in the crib. She puts a blanket on the baby. The baby falls asleep. Parents save babies from fire. The house is on fire. Flames come out of the windows. Smoke comes out of the windows. A man runs out of the house. He carries a baby in his arms. A woman runs out of the house. She carries a baby in her arms. A fire truck arrives at the house. A young girl knows how. She is 6 years old. She knows how to walk. She knows how to run. She knows how to swim. She knows how to play soccer. She knows how to ride a horse. She knows how to walk her dog. She knows how to read. She knows how to write. The playground in the park. They go to the park. They like the park. The park has a playground. The playground has a slide. They slide down the slide. The playground has a sandbox. They play in the sand. The playground has a seesaw. They go up and down on the seesaw. The playground has swings. They swing on the swings. He eats a candy bar. He picks up the candy bar. He reads the label. The label says Baby Ruth. He unwraps the candy bar. He throws the wrapper into the trash can. He bites into the candy bar. He chews it. He swallows it. He bites into the candy bar again. It is delicious. He loves candy bars. Kids and their teacher. He has a job. He is a teacher. He teaches kids. He teaches them how to read. He teaches them how to spell. The kids are fast learners. They learn how to read quickly. They learn how to spell quickly. He likes his job. He likes kids. He likes to teach kids new things. The pizza is hot. The man delivers the pizza. Her dad pays the man. He gives the man a tip. The man leaves. Dad takes the pizza to the living room. He puts it on the coffee table. He opens the box. Everybody grabs a slice of pizza. Her dad bites into his pizza. He burns the roof of his mouth. Ouch! A farm puzzle. The puzzle has 200 pieces. It is a puzzle of a farm. There are animals on the farm. There are buildings on the farm. There are white clouds in a blue sky. There is a bright sun. He sees a yellow piece. It is part of the sun. He sees a blue piece. It is part of the sky. A noise in the night. She says her prayers. She gets into bed. She turns out the light. She hears a noise. She turns on the light. She looks around her room. Everything looks okay. She turns out the light. She hears the noise again. She turns on the light. She looks around. She is scared. She calls her dad. A stick and a dog. He takes the dog for a walk. He picks up a stick. He throws the stick. The dog chases the stick. It brings back the stick. It gives him the stick. He throws it again. The dog brings the stick back. The dog walks over to a tree. It pees on the tree. He takes the dog home. She does her homework. The teacher asks a question. She raises her hand. Other students raise their hands. The teacher calls on her. She answers the question. The teacher says she is correct. She feels good. She smiles. She knows most of the answers. She does her homework at night. She knows the answers for the next day. A math problem. She reads the math problem. John has 3 apples. He gives 1 apple to Mary. He gives another apple to Billy. How many apples does John have? She thinks. 3 apples minus 2 apples is 1 apple. John has 1 apple. The answer is 1. She shows her answer to the teacher. Her teacher smiles. Puddles are fun. He likes the rain. Rain makes puddles. He likes puddles. He jumps into puddles. He jumps across puddles. He slides on his back in puddles. He sits in puddles. He gets wet in puddles. His shoes get wet. His clothes get wet. He gets dirty. His clothes get dirty. He goes home. His mom yells at him. Ride on the school bus. He waits for the school bus. He sees the yellow bus. It stops in front of him. The door opens. He climbs up the steps. He says hello to the driver. The driver says good morning. He walks to the back of the bus. He sits next to the window. The bus starts. He looks out the window. Watch the magician closely. A magician is cool. He makes things disappear. He makes them reappear. He changes things into other things. He changes a bunny into a scarf. He changes a scarf into a bird. He gives you a deck of cards. You secretly pick a card. He knows which card. He knows so many cool tricks. Read a book in bed. The book is on the nightstand. She gets into bed. She picks up the book. She opens the book. She reads 10 pages. She likes the story. She turns to page 11. Her dad comes in. He says good night. She kisses her dad. She closes the book. She turns off the lamp. She goes to sleep. A 1-mile race. There is a race today. He puts on his shorts. He puts on his sneakers. He goes to the track. It is a 1-mile race. Other boys show up at the starting line. The race starts. All the boys run fast. They run around the track 4 times. The race ends. He comes in 3rd place. The tree climber. He climbs a tree. He climbs from limb to limb. He climbs higher and higher. The ground gets further away. The top of the tree gets closer. He sees a squirrel. It barks at him. He looks down at the people on the ground. His mother looks up in the tree. Get down here right now! Her baby brother. She has a baby brother. She loves him. She talks to him every day. She pushes him in the stroller. She changes his diapers. She feeds him his bottle. She burps him. She puts him in the high chair. She feeds him dinner. She wipes the food off his mouth. She is a good sister. A 3D movie. It is movie time. He puts on his 3D glasses. The movie begins. The car comes right at him. He yells. The car gets so close to him. It looks so real with 3D glasses. He enjoys the whole movie. 3D is just like real life. It is even better than real life. It is more exciting. Many fish in the ocean. The ocean is blue. The ocean is big. There are many fish in the ocean. There are big fish. There are small fish. There are fast fish and slow fish. The big fish eat the small fish. The fast fish eat the slow fish. The fishermen catch all the fish. The people eat all the fish. She has dreams at night. She dreams at night. She dreams while she sleeps. She dreams about many things. She dreams about her parents. She dreams about school. She dreams about her friends. She dreams about her dog and cat. She dreams about the future. She dreams about the past. She dreams about monsters. Those dreams wake her up. Peel and eat an orange. She grabs a sharp knife. She holds the orange. She cuts the skin of the orange. She cuts the skin in 4 equal sections. She peels the skin off the orange with her fingers. She throws the skin in the trash. She separates the orange into sections. She eats the sections one by one. They are sweet and juicy. Mom is sick in bed. She calls her mom. Her mom is sick. She has the flu. She is in bed. She is old. She is alone. Her husband is dead. Nobody takes care of her. She does her own shopping. She drives her own car. She says that she is okay. She says she feels better. She thanks her daughter for calling. The teacher yells at him. He asks a question. The teacher rolls his eyes. The teacher yells loudly at him. The teacher hurts his feelings. The teacher is mean. The teacher has bad manners. He hates the teacher. He asks no more questions. He drops out of the class. He never forgets that teacher. That teacher is his worst teacher ever. Amir at dance school. She goes to dance school. She wears special shoes. She stands in front of a mirror. It is a big mirror. It goes from one wall to the other. She holds onto a bar. She stretches her leg. She stretches the other leg. She points her toes. She bends over. She touches her toes. The school bully. He is a bully. He picks on other kids. He picks on smaller kids. He pushes them. He trips them. He punches them. He calls them names. He takes their money. He takes their lunches. He is mean. Everyone is afraid of him. 5 students tell the principal about the bully. The principal kicks the bully out of school.